Chapter first, solution of algebraic and transcendental equation. In this chapter, aim of this is to find the root of function f of x is equal to 0. Means f of x is equal to 0 means to find the value of x which satisfies this function. After putting the value of x in the function f of x, we get the value of this function is 0. Means x is solution of this function. So difference between algebraic equation and transcendental equation is, algebraic equation is the highest power of x is finite, and in this transcendental equation highest power of x is infinite. Means algebraic equation, for example, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. In this example, the highest power of x is 2 and which is finite. This type of equation is called the algebraic equation. And in transcendental equation, for example, sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. E raised to x plus x is equal to 0. Log x plus tan x is equal to 0. Means equation involves the trigonometric function, exponential function, like a logarithmic function. This type of equation are called the transcendental equation. This is a difference between the algebraic and transcendental equation. So first topic of this chapter is error and their computation. So first of all, we see the basic definition. First definition is exact number. The exact number are those that is known with complete certainty and cannot be changed. Means which number which are fixed. Now this value is not changed. For example, 0, 7, root 2, pi, e, 3.14, etc. These numbers are called the exact number. Means value of this number is remain unchanged. Means cannot be changed. Understand? So next is approximate number. Approximate number means number have the many digits. For example, we find the value of pi on the calculator. We get the decimal number more than this 2 digit. But मीन्स आपण जर हे नंबर जे आहेत डेसिमल नंतरचे जे मॅक्सिमम नंबर भेटतात आपल्याला, पण आपण सुटेबल नुसार जर फक्त ते राऊंड ऑफ करून घेतले तर ते जे नंबर असतो का त्याला अप्रॉक्सिमेट नंबर. फॉर एक्झाम्पल व्हॅल्यू ऑफ पाय इज 3.1417 मीन्स अशा पद्धतीने भेटते. पण जर ती आपण राऊंड ऑफ करून घेतली तर ते पाय इज इक्वल टू, आपण जनरली ही व्हॅल्यू यूज करतो एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करताना, पाय इज इक्वल टू 3.14. सिमिलरली व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ई इज 2.7183 is the approximate value of E. Approximate value of E. Next, significant figure. Significant figure means the number of digit which is used to express the number are called the significant figure or significant digits. For example, in this example, number of digits are 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this also 5 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this number also how many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this also non-zero number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this all number example, the significant figure or significant digits are 5. Significant digit are 5. For this all example, means we count the non-zero digit, but 0 lies between two non-zero number, then this we count this 0 as significant, but 0 come before the non-zero number, so this is not significant. So we count only the non-zero number as a significant. So in this all example, the significant figure or significant digit are 5. So we discuss the rule for significant digit. Rule for significant figures or digits. First rule is all non-zero numbers are significant. Means all natural set of for example set of natural number. Natural number जेवढे पण येतात ते सगळे कसे झाले significant. For example 2, 3, 4. These all three numbers are non-zero. So this significant figure of this number is 1, 2, 3 digit आहे. म्हणजे significant figure किती झाली याची 3. Significant digits are 3. Second rule, 0 between two non-zero number is significant. For example, 205. This 0 is lies between two non-zero number. Means 2 is non-zero, 5 is also non-zero. This 0 is lies between two non-zero number. So this 0 is significant. Therefore, the significant digit for this number is how many? 3. Third rule, leading 0 are not significant. Leading 0 are not significant. Means 0 before a number, before a non-zero number. For example, 0.001234. In this number example, the 0 is means leading 0 are not significant. This 0 is leading. Means this 0 come before the non-zero numbers. So the significant figure for this number is how many non-zero number are? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 digit in this number, 4 non-zero digit in this number. Therefore, significant figure or digit is 4. Fourth significant rule is trident 0 trident 0 to the right decimal is significant. Trident 0 to the right decimal is significant. Means, for example, number is like 9.320. So this 0 is trident 0 to the right of the decimal is significant. Means this 0 is counted as significant. So this significant figure for this number is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Significant digits is how many? Sorry, are 4. Fifth rule, trident 0 in a whole number with no decimal shown are not significant. For example, number 1690. Trident 0 in a whole number with no decimal shows are not significant. Means in this number, trident 0 means this number is whole number, and with 0 is the decimal shows are not significant. Means this 0 is not a significant number. For this example, so significant figure for this is how many? 1, 2, 3. Significant digits are only 3. Next rule, sixth number, exact number have infinite significant digits. Exact number have infinite significant digit. Means we see the fourth rule. Trident 0 count as a significant. Means for exact number means we see the definition of exact number this. For example, number 1, 2, 3 has significant figure how many? 3.0. This also can be written as 123.00. Also can be written as 123.000. Means value of this is not changed, but we can write this number 123 as this, and value of this all is equal. But significant digits are different. Means this number has 3 significant digits. This number has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant digits. This number have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant digits. And this number have 3 and this 3. 6 significant digits. Therefore, the exact number have infinite significant digits. Next. Next rule is number is in the form n into 10 raised to x, where n is any number, n into 10 raised to x. Like this number, the significant figure is only depend on this n. Here 10 and x are not significant. 10 and x are not significant. This x is also any number. For example, 1.24 into 10 raised to 4. This example have significant figure is depend on this, not this. So significant digits are how many? 1, 2, 3. The significant figure is 3. And next 1.240 into 10 raised to 4. This number have how many significant figure? 1, 2, 3, 4. So significant figure or significant digit are 4. For example, 0.246 into 10 raised to 3. This example, in this, how many significant figure or digit? 1, 2, 3. 3 non-zero numbers. So significant digit is 3. So these are the rule for significant figure or significant digit. Next topic is round off number to significant figure. A round off number means discard all digit the right of the nth digit. If the nth plus 1 place, discard the number is first. If nth digit round off the number of significant figure means discard all digit to the right of the nth digit. If the n plus 1 place, discard the number is first less than 5. Leave the nth place, nth digit unaltered. Means, for example, number is 0.00987554. So this number is rounded up to 4 significant figure. Question is that number rounded to 4 significant figure. So the where n is equal to 4, significant figure means n is equal to 4. So nth digit here and nth plus 1 digit is 4. So we discard this 4, but this 4 is less than 5. Since less than 5, leave the nth digit unaltered. Means how to write this number is up to 4 significant figure 0.009875. Second rule is greater than 5. Increase the n digit by unity. For example, 0.009875.6. So this number is rounded up to 4 digits. So value of n is 4. The fourth digit means nth place is 5th, and n plus 1 is 6. So this 6 is greater than 5. When we rounded this number, so we get 0.00987, and this n is increased by unity, means it become 6. So this number is rounded up to 4 digit, we get 0.009876. Third rule is for at nth place exactly the number is 5. First we say that at that time n for the nth place is greater than 5, less than 5. So we see the third condition, if for exactly 5, and if first in that exactly 5s are असेल, the odd number is in the nth place, then increase the nth digit by unity. For example, 0.009875. This number is rounded up to 4 significant figure. So this here 1, 2, 3, 4, total significant figure is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we rounded this number up to 4 significant figure. So for 4 significant figure, n is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 means nth place there is 5, and at nth plus 1 place there is also 5. But this 5 is odd, and what we see odd number is in the nth place, then increase the nth digit by unity. So we rounded this number up to 4 decimal place, 4 significant figure, we get 0.0098776. And last rule is even number is in the nth place, then nth digit unaltered. For example, 1.23456 In this example, we rounded this number up to 4 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 4. This. And total significant figure in this number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At the nth place there is 4. And which is 4 is even. And at n plus 1 place there is 5. So what we do? We get, after round off this number, 1.234, because there is at n plus 1 place there is 5 and at n place there is 4. 4 is even. So nth digit unaltered means not changed.